What's up, squad? Today I'm unboxing something epic, the LEGO Fortnite Battle Bus set. Now, first off, can we talk about this box? This thing is huge, way bigger than I expected. When it showed up, I instantly knew that this was a premium collectible Victory Royale level set. Now, I couldn't wait. I built it off camera because I was so hyped. And squad, here it is. The most insane battle bus I have ever seen in Lego form. The wheels, they work. This thing rolls and glides like you're cruising across the map. And the details are everywhere. Moving mirrors, opening doors, removable roof, balloon attachments on top, everything. And speaking of the balloon, this thing is wild. It's removable with spinning propellers and flame details underneath. It legit looks like it just dropped in from Spawn Island. Inside the bus, we've got seats for the whole crew. And speaking of the crew, we've got 9 skins. We've got Bride Bomber. You pop off her hair and you can swap her face for glasses or a no-glass version. Then we have Raven, Adventure Peely. Then we have Meowscles rocking his gear. Up next, we have the Trespasser Elite, whose masks come off, and you can see underneath. And then we have Cuddle Team Leader. You can choose between the beer head or normal hair. Then we have Battalion Brawler. He comes with his own pickaxe. We have Drift, hair or mask swap. That's all up to you. And finally, we have the Cube Assassin. And let's take a minute to look at the build guide. It's super colorful, step by step, not sweaty at all. Honestly, this set is the ultimate loot drop for any Fortnite fan. You can build it, flex it on your shelf, or run full roleplay matches with the squad. This is a Victory Royale energy in LEGO form. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.